So yesterday, March 11th, 2021, we have conducted a number of raids in the Porus police local, and have seized a number of items, most of which are tools which we suspected to have been stolen. These tools include air compressor, electrical planes, chowel, steam cleaner, jigsaw, all-purpose saw, tile cutter, drill, number of drills, radio, Wi-Fi system, compressors, among many other items. So we are inviting members of the public who premises might have been broken in to visit us at the Mandeville police station or give us a call at 876-961-5581 or 962-2550 or 962-2832, and take along any identifying information to identify the material